Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Kaspa. So you have a Caspium wallet or you have a Kaspa wallet. Open up the Kaspa wallet and I'm going to be showing you how you can send your Kaspa over to another wallet or a centralized exchange. To do this, take note of the amount of Kaspa you have in your wallet. And now all you need to do is simply hit the send option. That's for Caspium. Hit the send option. You're going to enter the amount, the address, and a note if you require one. So minimize and open up any centralized exchange or wallet of your choice in order to send. So I'm going to be working with KuCoin. So once you've opened up KuCoin, make sure you have an account. And if you don't have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you can claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, once on the wallet, make sure you register and verify your account. Once that's done, click on this deposit icon here at the top left and simply search for Kaspa. Once you search for Kaspa, click on the Kaspa token, select the network, which is the Kaspa network, copy the wallet address. Once you've copied the wallet address, minimize and open up the Caspium wallet, enter the amount you wish to send. So let's say I've got 1,000 Caspium to send. My address is this, and then I could enter a note and simply click on send. Once you've done this, you could then minimize and open up your KuCoin app. Head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once at the overview, scroll to the funding or trading, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, my Kaspa is stored on my trading account and I have some Kaspa here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.